What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so in this video you guys are gonna see me unboxing my new iPad Pro. I got the Space Gray 128 gigabytes and this is what it looks like all unboxed. But you guys will see in the video me unboxing it. And I hope you guys really enjoy this. I know I enjoy unboxing videos so much. I love watching them. They're just amazing. I also have the Apple Pencil. I did not unbox this in the video and I'm kind of disappointed in myself that I didn't. I really wish that I did. But without further ado, let's roll on into that video. so while that is restoring from iCloud, I am just gonna tell you that I am already really excited for this. I'm just gonna tell you that this is way lighter than my iPad right now. I'm gonna take it out of its case. This is heavy. This is definitely, gotta plug it back in. This is definitely heavier than this. This is way lighter than this. Okay, so I didn't quite get to finish my last part of like what I was saying in the video. I was plugging my iPad in and my mom was calling me, so I had to run and get lunch, and then I kind of just stopped recording and started playing around with the iPad. So yeah, and then all of a sudden the Apple Pencil came in and I didn't really record me unboxing it. I kind of just unboxed it. So I will just show you here. This is the Apple Pencil. It is so cool. I love it. It is like, it's really light. I have the other Apple Pencil, I just don't have it with me. I like this one. This one is way more, like, it feels a lot better. I don't know what this is. It feels a lot better than the other Apple Pencil. It doesn't like feel like, the other one feels like really cheap. This one feels way better. I did get this from Apple and I did not get it engraved. iPad time. The screen protector I got for here, on this, was off of Amazon. I just looked up paper-like screen protectors. And I just found one that was really cheap, because paper, like, the actual paper-like company is not delivering to the United States due to the COVID. So, but I'd also like to show you this cool thing, this magnet right here. Magnet. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I hope you guys did really enjoy this video. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. This, it like...
Walking down here, please!